Hi everyone, Tommy here with SafeLife. When it comes to sudden cardiac arrest, having an AED close by can literally mean the difference between life and death. Seconds matter. LIFEPAK CR2 AED with cellular connectivity is designed to help make those seconds count by being fast, reliable, and simple to use. The CR2 has some great features. It's incredibly easy to operate with clear graphics and voice instructions that walk you through every step of the rescue. The QUIK STEP pads peel right off the base for fast application, and thanks to CPR Insight analysis technology, the CR2 can actually check the heart rhythm without making you stop chest compressions. That saves precious time when it matters most. You also get clear voice technology, which adjusts the voice prompts to match your environment so they're easy to hear even in noisy places. There's a built-in bilingual option that lets you switch between two languages with the press of a button. And with child mode, treating young patients is just as easy. It's a tough device too, built to stand up to dust and water with an IP55 rating. Plus, both the battery and pads have a 4-year lifespan, and it's backed with an 8-year warranty. If you want to dive deeper into all the specs and features of the LIFEPAK CR2, click the link below for a full overview where we break everything down in detail. Today though, we want to show you just how simple it is to get the CR2 connected through cellular connectivity. The LIFEPAK CR2 has the ability to connect through cellular networks. That means it can automatically send status updates and event data, keeping your device monitoring without you having to lift a finger. It connects to the LIFELINKcentral AED Program Manager, so you always know your AED is ready when you need it. Here's how easy it is to get connected. Step 1. Power on. Open the lid of the AED and it powers on automatically. Right away, the device runs a quick self-check to make sure everything is good to go. To get your CR2 connected, there's one quick step to activate the wireless communication. After the lid opens and the device powers on, wait for the voice prompts to begin. Then, press and hold both the language and child mode buttons at the same time. Keep holding until you hear it say device ready. As soon as you hear that, close the lid and place the AED in its permanent location, such as a cabinet, wall mount, or emergency case. The AED will now automatically start connecting to the stronger available network, whether that's Wi-Fi or cellular. Step 2. Insert the SIM card. The good news is your CR2 is set up with cellular connectivity. The SIM card is already installed right out of the box. No setup, no tools, no hassle. Step 3. Automatic connection. As soon as it powers up, the AED starts searching for the strongest 4G network available in your area. There's no need for pairing, no passwords, no configuration. It handles everything in the background. Step 4. LIFELINKcentral setup. Your AED will link up to the LIFELINKcentral AED Program Manager. This lets you track the device's status, monitor pads and battery expiration dates, get real-time alerts, and even pull reports with just a few clicks. Step 5. Confirm status. You'll know it's connected because the AED will send a readiness check-in. From your dashboard, you can quickly confirm everything is good and that your AED is fully ready to rescue. And just like that, your AED is online, monitored, and ready without any complicated setup or ongoing management. The Physio-Control LIFEPAK CR2 with cellular connectivity is all about making AED management easier. It automatically keeps tabs on itself, alerts you if anything needs attention, and lets you focus on what's really important, being ready to save a life. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you have any questions about the CR2 or need help getting connected, the SafeLife team is always ready to help. Stay safe.